driver and car owner, talking it over here. Took the first one of the season, not a bad finish in the second one, Rick. But how about that thing? You boys kind of working it right where you left off last year, looks like to me. How'd it feel tonight?
This is our new car we hadn't been running. Been riding around in the trailer for 3 years because I like the other one.
This is the one, right? Well, good.
So it's working out pretty good for us.
No doubt about it. And apparently somebody's been working on this thing a little bit during the off season.
Yeah, well, you know how we do.
You boys is a trip. How about your owner and all these fellas that work on this car? You can't beat them, can you?
No, there's a bunch of guys, and went for Tommy Bird, we wouldn't be here.
No doubt about it, Tommy Bird. How does it feel to be back in victory lane, first race of the season?
Well, I'm just glad for Rick and everybody that puts all the effort into it.